Hey everybody, we are out here at Tim Marburger Chevrolet in Kannapolis, North Carolina. And I have either made the biggest mistake ever or something that I hope will turn into just a really, really awesome idea. And I have gone out and bought this gorgeous 1979 Corvette. And if you notice anything about it, it's not gorgeous. It's actually really hideous.
Owen broke the handle trying to close the door. So we're just giving you an overview of what it looks like right now. So feast with your eyes.
But the plan is we're gonna fix it up and we're gonna kind of tour you guys along as we do. Currently the vehicle is parked back here because it doesn't really run. We took it out on a brief little drive around the block and we stalled a couple times.
And because the gas gauge doesn't work,
We ran out of fuel.
we just didn't know. How would we know that?
Luckily, some fine Kannapolis patrons helped me push it back onto a side street where we reluctantly got it back going.
People driving by looking at us like we're, well, like we are.
Then we had it in the shop today just to kind of get a brief overview of what was going on with the vehicle, and it caught on fire.
We had a slight issue, didn't we, Nick? With our Corvette. It happened to, well, Isaiah, why don't you tell me what happened with our Corvette today?
The power steering line popped off of the new rack that they installed into it and caught on fire.
So our Corvette was on fire
The ground was.
just momentarily. Nick, our fireman for the day, kept us all safe, put the fire out, and now the power steering line is no longer, what was it wrapped around?
It blew the line.
They just blew the line.
Blew blew the crush fitting out.
But we're over that. No more fires for the day.
No, we're good. I got the power steering pump unhooked.
Unhooked. We're gonna hook it back up.
Yeah, once we get a new line.
So we'll see. Just a little bit more about our Corvette. This is a 1979 Corvette. That is the third generation of Corvette, known as a C3. These vehicles were made in St. Louis, Missouri, with the exception of a few parts that were distributed out of Flint, Michigan. This is a 350-inch V8 engine sitting in this thing, 4-barrel carburetor, generating actually only about 195 horsepower. Rear wheel drive, the engine sits up in the front. It is a fiberglass exterior, reinforced plastic, I think technically is what it is. This version has the T-top, so once we get it up and running, we'll actually be able to take those two pieces right off the top. This is a 3-speed automatic transmission. Talking about in the front again of the vehicle, 1979. This has obviously been painted before. The headlights pop up from these two dashes right here, which currently are not working, but we'll get those nice and running too. Guys, we just want to welcome you along this little journey we're going to have here. Again, either just an awesome, awesome idea or a massive, massive flop. You let us know what you think.